Test. Hello.
My man. Hey,
Hello.
What's up, guys?
Hello. Two minutes. Take it easy today, guys. Today's going to be very volatile.
Yeah, I'm coming into today with a lot of caution.
Could get a bit stinky.
Yeah, not trying to push anything.
I do have a trade idea already setting up. 29. It's not gonna. I might just open it and drive the way that this is looking. We're holding above 17. Ten seconds. There's 17. Yeah, very whippy. Losing 17.
Hello, guys.
Hey, Jim.
What's up? Huge puke on stocks. Video's taking a dump right now.
Jim is actually Dark Vader, actually.
Yeah, I can hear you breathing, buddy. You okay? You need to catch your breath.
Is my mic too? Okay, give me a second.
It's too sensitive.
My mic is too sensitive.
It's locked
That was
in
funny.
right now. I can hear it.
Yeah.
Fuck. I don't have time. I need to try and just mute myself.
Okay.
That's funny.
Yeah, I knew I should have fucking held that thing.
take a piss. I'll be right back.
Some crazy volatility. The Dom looks insane right now. It's just skipping around.
Yeah, this whipsaw that it just did was crazy.
Yeah, that's what I was talking about.
And it's so
Like, holy
symmetrical as well
moly.
that it looks fake. It's too perfect. Like it's perfect symmetry, you know?
Are you on like a
Weird.
3-second?
Oh no, I'm even lower. I'm on a 64 volume. So I see
Yeah,
it.
very low. So every 64 contracts, you get a print.
Yeah, it's basically a bar every 100 milliseconds or something like that. Depends on how quick it goes. But yeah, good.
Ranunculus.
Yep.
I'm taking my sweet time.
What's up, guys?
Hey,
Ew.
What you guys up to?
Just awaiting patiently for anything that may show itself.
Gotcha. Hopefully we make money today.
Yeah, volatility's insane today, so I'm just trying to be defensive.
Yuki?
Yeah.
お前も日本人なの?
No.
Oh, never mind.
I'm French.
Never mind.
Wait, was that Japanese or something?
Nah, you
Yeah.
are Chinese, I think. No?
No, that was Japanese.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
Wow, dude. That's pretty dope.
Maybe I'm used to slower one.
13 more minutes. I'll wait. You guys trade ES mostly?
Yes, I think.
On that move down, there's a Capella sell deltas.
Yeah, I trade mostly ES, a little bit of NQ here and there.
I feel you. My fucking kid destroyed my laptop yesterday, so I gotta buy a new one.
Right.
right back. Check in with me, fellas. How we doing?
I'm doing all right.
Down a couple of ticks, nothing major.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, it's looking a little volatile.
Yeah.
Are you trying to talk, Mega?
I have hotkeys. Control's unfortunately one of my fucking hotkeys.
Oh, I see. No worries. How are you doing?
Trying to scalp this low, but it's not giving me the entry.
I've had 2 winners, 1 loser.
Damn, I don't think today's my day.
Yeah, it's very volatile today.
Oh no,
Very
I'm just a
difficult.
pussy. I'm not pulling the trigger on these trades.
At least he's honest.
Yeah, I
No,
could
I
have
feel
made
that.
like $700 today, but
Yeah, it's looking like it's faking out a lot. Like we faked out of that range a couple minutes ago and then dipped back in.
well, when it's swept these lows, there was a 500 lot. Someone pulled it. They're trying to pull this up, so they're kind of revealing their hand at this point. I think that was it for me. I mean, not last trade, but fuck, the last long opportunity.
Yuki, how you doing?
I'm down a couple bucks, but it's okay. A lot of break events today for me.
Yeah, it seems
I'm
like
a bit
break-evens have
hesitant.
the fake outs look like they're paying, but they do until they don't is usually what goes on. And you get caught in a fucking nasty breakout.
It's making me sweat today, guys. Jesus Christ, my pits are sweaty. I am sweaty. I'm standing here, literally sweating.
Buddy, I'm always sweating.
Ah,
My wife
this
won't touch me
volatility,
after
man.
trading.
No. Better take a
Need
shower
a
first.
shower. Yeah, pretty much.
I'm gonna take a break until the top of the hour. I'm up like 4 ticks after commissions, $50.
Nice.
Yeah, I'll see you guys later.
Yep, no worries.
Yeah.
See you.
The market's trying to get me to go long, but I'm not gonna bait it. Be baited by it.
Yeah, so close to low of day. It's always sketchy.
There's a 235 lot. I really wanted to see it go and fill that in reverse, but it's not gonna give it to me. I doubt it.
I'm feeling really anxious today, and it's making me not want to trade.
Listen to yourself, King.
Yeah.
Our heat map's very similar. Do you see that 237 on
Yeah,
yours?
85.
I want to see that get filled before I long it.
Yeah, I usually feel pretty good trading into those.
There's more liquidity towards the bottom though. That's the problem. There's a whole stack of it. And all the deltas, the strong like 1,000 lot. So like the 800, the 900, and the 847 deltas between 900 and 908. I assume those were by icebergs that got filled, but I don't. It's hard to tell.
Does anyone familiar with Pat's strategy?
No.
I am not.
Sort of.
I've never heard of it.
It's just a bunch of trend lines. If it breaks, they scalp it before it pulls back into the main structure. That's all it is.
Interesting. Yeah, I've never heard of it. Ooh.
They're decreasing the size on 85. This is a nice chat room to be in. I've been in a couple other ones. Don't ask me why. It's a bunch of black guys and they just kept dropping the N-word like every 30 seconds. Felt a little out of place.
I'm gonna try 89.50 here for short. Oh, I got stopped out instantly. Look at that.
Yeah.
Oh, there we go.
Holy moly.
10 o'clock.
Here we go.
volatility,
That's
was not paying
news.
attention.
That has to be
It's
news,
10
right?
o'clock. No, it's 10 o'clock. I'll
So
go.
you got lucky there.
Yeah, I'm glad I got stopped out.
Couldn't be that
University
worse.
of Michigan sentiment news was negative results. Forecast 74, actual 73.2.
Damn, that was a rookie mistake, man. I gotta fucking pay attention to what time it is.
This is like the monthly low right here.
What price precisely?
I think 74 3/4.
Okay, thank you.
Let me look even further here. 75 more precisely. Yeah, 75. We are sustaining below it. Okay. Lots of participation on this move down. And I hate when Price does this because when it's just like a straight downward spiral like this, like I have areas that I could get into a continuation trade, but like I just for whatever reason something in my brain just tells me not to do that. It's like obviously it can just keep going straight down, but like some of my brain is just like it's gonna turn around. And it just never does when it looks like this. That was already 20 points down from the monthly low.
Man, I gotta piss again. This coffee's going right through me. Be right back.
Yeah, I'm not interested in anything right now. I'll be right back.
Try to stab here, 65. Took loss there. Looked like compression. Not crazy about going long at low of day either. It's got to work fast.
Hello guys, how you doing?
Yeah, you know, another day, more volatility.
Miller. Hello, friend.
Hey, Miner.
Hey Shui, Juki, Grunky.
What's up, dude?
Yeah, fucking yes, looks like a Genki.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a
So how
weird.
you doing, Grunky?
I've not off to a great start. I took a really rookie fucking trade right before 10 o'clock because I wasn't paying attention. But I actually think I have a pretty good read on price action. I'm just and I said this earlier. I just feel anxious today, you know, and I'm not trying to push trades if I'm not feeling great about them, you know.
Yeah, absolutely. That's the important part, man.
It's funny. I was actually rewatching our coaching session before I started this morning, way back in November. A little refresher never hurts.
Absolutely not.
Damn it.
Might take a short here if we can get a mid roll off the prior range. Let's see. I'll try 56, maybe 55.75. Filled. it's looking like upward compression now. Yeah, took that off for a 2-tick blue loss. Just looks like upward compression now. Try 57 long, no fill.
I got filled 57.
Nice. That's a good trade.
I was in that trade and I was going to hold it, and I was thinking back to what Harvey told me this morning, and I was like, just take the trade off. Take the trade off. Even though I really wanted to hold it up to 61.50, but as we can see now, definitely glad I took the trade off. And I also didn't see something on my other chart. Definitely glad I took the trade off at 59.
It's kind of looking like a stop run here. Too late. I'll try it. 57.25. Filled. Oh, damn, stopped out again.
I guess I'm glad that happened. I got into a trade and my dom shifted and I was trying to place my stop, but instead I got myself out of the trade. But I honestly saved myself some money there, so I guess I can't complain.
Tried along at 60.25 but didn't get filled. It's looking like a change in character here, which I like. I'm going to invalidate this reclaim below us first. $63.50 long. I'll take it there. First one of the day. looks like a capitulatory move though, so I'm gonna wait for it to calm down a bit. Looks like stocks are agreeing with this temporary uptrend.
A trade.
Try 66. No, it looks like it's already gone. Wait for it to pull back lower. Try it here, 65.75. Nah. Cut it 2-tick loss. I didn't like the downward compression it looked like. Easily could have held that though. $68.25. Oh, it's gonna work faster than this. Take it for 1-tick loss. I'm gonna try a short here, maybe 72. Filled that. Got stopped out though. Damn. I think that short was a little too aggressive. I liked the reclaim below it, but I mean, we're pretty clearly in an uptrend right now. short 71.75. Short at the bottom of the range. Gotta wait for more confirmation than that. A little too aggressive there. I think 73.25 where I got stopped out would have been the good entry. Try 73. Filled 73, instantly stopped out. Yeah, I think that's my day right there. Shit.
Yeah, man, it's tough.
It's a tough one.
Oh, did I just enter two? God damn it. I didn't mean to do that.
Man, my fucking P&L curve is in a nasty drawdown right now. I'm gonna have to fucking reassess what I'm doing here.
I've been there. I was there about a week ago. About a week ago. Tartar sauce.
So,
Lowski.
oh, my phone's gonna die. Oh, shit. I mean, I'd rather be on for too long. How's it going in here?
Just sitting in this long.
Where are you long from?
Right at Valier low 62.
Nice. Nice. Do you have a target?
I know this thing is usually they're gonna gap it down, rotate it back to VWAP, but that's usually pretty far fling shot right at the open low, so I might just exit out here.
86-ish.
Yeah. 86 point 80 86 2.75 is my entry. Targets right around VWAP 98.
98. Okay. Yeah, I'm long from 55 and I want twos.
Nice.
And I'll be halfway on top step 150. Oh, but it's this is kind of a dicey area.
Rotating our I think what's going on. Algos are taking it above the previous rotation, drop it, absorb it, and they're retaking it back up. Throughout
There's
the
a huge
What's up,
there
Dave?
was a huge bid earlier trying to push it back up at this level, at this like 88, 86, 83 area. So like there's a potential for a reoffer here. Trap longs from there might be like, I'm good. I'll wait. And the structure feels kind of thin. Yeah, it feels kind of thin here. This is like a reasonable place for me to exit, but I'm trying to practice holding. It's hard. It's really fucking hard. Chronic, I saw your post, man. I'm sorry. You've been in a tough place recently.
Fuck that, I'm out.
Ah, fuck. I'm really, really debating myself.
Trust, are you up 30 points right now?
Yeah,
On what, minis?
I have one mini. I went in on 3. I'm using a top step 150, so I'm trying to hit a 4,500 day on it. I'm at 3,500. I got like 20 points to go, but the structure is such that these bids between like what is it, 71, yeah, like 71s, 70, what would that be, like 76, and then 79, they feel really thin, and there's like such a fat offer between 86 and 90. If bulls take it, I don't think it's crazy to see back to 5,900. That's my thesis, but holding along against this whole thing is like naturally very challenging. So yeah, I'm up 30.
That was a big trade, my man.
Yeah, man. Fucking, I had calls on a personal account, so this is my this is my salvation. Those are gone. Those are toast. I'm also long bonds, which is also very much toast. So I'm just kind of like letting that lie. I don't know. I think the whole thing mean reverts, but I just don't know when. Zero was talking about 40s, but the way like the way that the structure formed down there at like 55, I just saw like an impulse on a sweep, and I don't even know what that level was. See, here we go. They're gonna try to take it. So I was gonna try to come back.
The monthly low's at 75. Just an FYI.
70 December lows.
I mean, I think it might even be.
Because January lows are now at like 53, 52.
Yeah, December lows.
Yeah.
Dating all the way back to early November. So a 2-month low at 75.
What was the FOMC low? 1218.
75.
That was 75. Yeah. I thought it was 66s. Okay. Yeah, I mean, I keep thinking of Dante, who says, why would you, what is it? Like moving stops to break even, for example, moving stops into support. You know what I mean? Like, why would you sell support?
Shit.
Especially on holds.
All right, I'm done today. I'm only up 100, but I have a meeting, guys. Sorry to interrupt.
No, you're good. Man.
Jesus, what a day!
Yeah.
Did anyone rip shorts off of like the 20 reoffer?
No.
No.
I had one trade off the open that I was supposed to short, which was a short. Actually, yeah, 20 offer.
2022s, that whole area.
Yeah, I
Off
had
the
a
NFP.
previous day low there, and I also had there was a massive imbalance from, what was that? That was the 5th? No, the 2nd. Yeah, but it was right off the open, and it was quick, and I just kind of, I was a spaz. I actually might have actually I did take it, but I only took it for like 8 ticks because I'm a jackwagon.
Dude, I had this realization. I went through all of my trade data from last year, and I broke down my trade data into like 5-minute intervals throughout the day. I am such a spaz between 9:30 and 9:50 Eastern time. Like, I can't hold a trade for shit. My P&L is like all over the place, super volatile. So I just made a rule. I was like, I just don't trade the open anymore. Like, I'm a cuck. Like, I don't know why. I just don't have the ability to hold a trade in the open, and scalping, it feels I'm not precise enough with scalps on the open to really like be able to trade that successfully. So I totally understand. It's not something I can do at all. I wish I had advice for you. Don't.
Yeah, I've just been in a scalpier mindset as of recently because my holds were really struggling for a while. This kind of sent me into a drawdown for a while.
Did you look back at them and kind of like figure out, is that the videos you were doing with Fat Cat?
Yeah, we were looking at my stats. And however, there's this one setup or 2 setups that I've been tagging that are absolutely crushing, and they're holds. And that was that setup this morning, is that I was supposed to go short at 18 or 17. I don't know if anyone was in here. I was talking about 17. And I took that trade, and now that's a holder trade, it's off of a huge level.
Yeah.
But for whatever reason, I'm just, I actually know why, but yeah,
Why?
I'm just in a scalpier mindset because of the stats situation. My stats point to me being a good scalper when they're under the tag that I have. But I also have to explore, the setup where I actually can hold, because that can make your week if you can get, like a trade that you got going on right now. Here's 90. If we can get through 90, dude, we're about to take off. 90 is going to be very important.
94 for me is going to be really important.
See.
I'm being so greedy right now. Stressing me out. Stressing. I just need like, yeah, I need like 12 points here. Now 86 is like the 84, 86. That
Trying to
area
get
is
long
important.
90. If I can't get this to go, this is my last trade. Don't look like it wants to.
I know it doesn't look like it at all.
You fucker.
You know what I've been noticing too, which is really strange, is that I read the footprint on the Tradeovate mobile better than anywhere else.
Really?
It's bizarre. Truly bizarre. I don't get it.
Fuckface.
Go. 92s, baby.
I need to take one off. Take it off.
There you go.
See if I can take this to 94. You bastard.
Did you get run?
No, I'm in 90. I got one out. I really want to see 94. I'm probably just going to take it at 93. Let me get 93. I really want to see. Took it off 92 quarter. All right. So that kind of saved my ass a bit. Back to break even. Good thing I took that off before 94. What do you have at 94? Value area?
I just have like a deep LVN at 94, 93 halves.
That's value area from yesterday for me.
Okay. I'm halfway on one. Oh, shit. Success. Okay.
All right, I'm back in the game. It's a fight for my life, though, dude. Like, how much more do I really want to keep doing this, you know?
Rating?
Yeah. My largest drawdown today was, I think, $200. I'm back to break even, basically.
What size account are you using?
I'm just on Sim, but I look at Sim the exact same way I look at a combine, so.
So you're not trading a combine right now?
I mean, technically I am. I have several combines. I just prioritize my Sim because my Sim trades are what goes in my journal. And I honestly care more about my journal than my combines. I'm in no rush.
Bonds made an interesting move. God, I can't believe they took this down another 10 points. Yeah, I mean, I'll risk another 6 points on this. See, this is like all that structure I was talking about that looked weak. This can retrace rather quickly. I've seen that happen many times.
Here's that month low, 75.
Yeah, reoffering FOMC lows. Is it a offer? Yeah, dude, look at the NQ profile too. There's like nothing down here. Such a make or break moment.
I mean, we did fill that auction on the ES profile. I don't know if you can see it, but we filled it. We bounced off of a value area from like early November or mid-November, almost basically to the tick.
I'm taking
And,
along an NQ, risking 10 points from 21s. Getting fucking crazy now. It's gonna offer. This is gonna offer. Yeah. Shite. Put my ES stop at 69.
all right, I'm short 73, 3/4. Oh, that would have been my fill, but I was going to see if I could hold this. Be patient. That's not good. See, and then the one trade I try to go and hold, it freaking would have filled my scalp if I had scalped it, and then goes and stops out.
Mm-hmm.
Literally
no
hit
one-
my target to the fucking tick. 71.25.
I think
Bastard.
one of the hardest things about okay, I need to take this NQ. Scalp 30 points. Cool. I totally relate to like knowing when to hold, when to scalp. That's such a there is something so challenging to internalize about the market flow that it's really hard to see on just a ladder or just a chart or even like an auction vista. Like it's something else. It's just like a repertoire of experience of having seen the market move a certain way. Do you know what I mean? It's this thing that's like really hard to systematize. Like I guess people can systematize it, right? You're like in indicators and stuff like that, but that's always like real time, like of the moment. You know what I mean? They're not; those indicators aren't putting a lot of context into it. And like as a discretionary trader, a big part of it is like creating your own context. You know what I mean? I don't know if that makes any sense. Not very helpful. Sorry.
I know what I mean.
God, they're off. It's fucking. Yep, there it is. That's a lot. Yeah, wow. What a day.
Jesus.
Fucking Christ, man. ES is down 1.5%. So casual.
Didn't get filled. Sick.
So fucking casual. Also, the volume is so thin. You're looking at orders of like 6, 7, 50, 100 lots maybe. It's so thin. It's so thin. There's an offer at 75s. Let's see if they get taken. Wow, I can't believe I just held through a 20 point drawdown. Christ.
Yeah, I probably should just be done. I just keep bouncing break even. I'm clearly not getting anywhere.
Hmm. Are you ever looking at other markets while you trade? Like
Yeah,
bonds,
I have.
gold?
I've looked at gold a bit. I really, really don't like oil at all.
Yeah, oil is hard.
And
Oil doesn't really make a lot of help for me. I like gold and I like bonds. One of those two usually correlate with the indices. That's what I've noticed. Okay, or 10-point scalp on NQ. That actually might have been like the bid. Yeah. Past 10s on NQ and it's probably coming back to 40s. Dude, this book is so thin. This fat trading today?
the old fatster.
Yeah. In your
No,
ghetto.
he's in Mexico getting dental work done, I think.
Man after my own heart. Dental tourism. Love it. Dental tourism. It's a pretty
Yeah.
common thing in Mexico and Turkey.
Now I'm gonna hop over to Combine, see how I do.
Good luck. What's your read here? Turn of the hour. I think they take Ivy lows. I just have a feeling.
I think if we can sweep below 71, we'll absolutely shit the bed.
Yeah, I have my stop on my ES runner at 69. I cannot tell you how hard it is for me not to move that lower.
Yeah, because there is a chance it just sweeps 69 and gets scooped back up.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Problem is though, NQ's in free fall, so like I don't know how much.
Yeah,
we see that happening.
there's no structure below 70. I mean, there is some below 60-ish, but yeah, I just got stopped. Okay. All right.
That's still a 20-something point trade though, right?
Yeah, I'm at 3,400 on this top step 150. I'm just trying to be patient. Okay.
Yeah, I really should have taken that trade. Where are my freaking...
Oh, they're offering. They're trying to offer here. Okay. I'm long NQ 968. And I risk 10 points. They're still offering. Offer's pretty solid here. Yeah. Dude, rip to the bulls. Let me sweat my ass. Yeah. Try again, same stop. Let's do another 3. Okay. They're just going to grind it down.
Come on, give that fill to me, you fuckface.
Okay.
I gotta take that. Oh, I got filled. Took it short from 69 to 62. Nice TP.
Nice job, dude. I actually longed on your TP again from 49s on NQ.
Nice.
Yeah,
That's a good trade actually.
yeah. The LBN game is like really been good tonight.
That's basically what I trade. I just have them
Dude, they're
illustrated
fucking.
on my chart.
Oh my
Because
god,
if
it's
you
so much.
think about it, imbalances are basically LVNs.
Mm-hmm.
That's exactly what they are in essence. I have an imbalance at 45 on NQ, bounced off it to the exact tick.
Mm-hmm. Yep, I see that here.
And I got one at 69 on ES.
Nice. Oh, just give me fucking 50 more points.
Could have shorted 69 there.
I know. That just became a reoffer zone. You know what I actually found has been helpful, oddly, is looking at the MNQ DOM. Like,
MNQ?
yeah, I don't know why, but like the way the numbers move on there, it becomes so much clearer when there's an offer coming in and when that offer is going to get trapped.
On the Dom?
Yeah, for whatever reason, like the I don't know what the term is, but like the at the market, the best bid offer, like when those numbers go up into like the 10s, 11s, there's an offer.
Do you read
And
the
you can,
tape?
yeah, I have time and sales and I have DOM. And then I like have charts and like, so what I do is like I write my levels out, and I have them in front of me. I can take a photo actually. You see, hold on. Let's do it.
Poor Chronic, man. I know how it feels to be in drawdown like that.
Yeah, it's not fun.
Yeah, dude. Dude, I was there just like a week and a half ago. It was so bad that I had to reach out to Fat Cat and like have him like talk me through it because I was in such a bad headspace.
Was it multiple days of drawdown or what was
Yeah, it's
the?
like every time I would come into a session, I was just like, I can't wait to see what the market's gonna do to fuck me over today.
Did you find that you were impatient to get out of
Yeah.
drawdown?
Well, yeah, of course. I mean, it just takes so much discipline and emotional stability to just accept it for what it is. And it's just when you want it so bad,
Mm-hmm.
and then it just says like, the market just says like, hey, you're not ready at all.
Yeah, market says go fuck yourself.
And then I was coming off from like a high too. Like I was just absolutely shredding it for weeks.
Yeah, dude, I've never found real consistency up until like a couple weeks ago. And then we had that fucking VIX shift on December 18th or whatever the fuck it was.
Yeah, you
Grand
can't ever
Currency
get
Day.
settled in.
There's been a downtrend since then. It's to be expected. Look, I knew going into that VIX environment, I'm like, I'm gonna get murdered. But I didn't expect my drawdown to be this bad, and I think that's on me. Like I haven't been managing. Like
Have you guys done like the 5-minute interval or 1-minute interval of trades throughout the day?
What do you mean?
There's like, I'm trying to get my screenshots from my phone to come up, but I'm also trying to watch a trade. Give me a second, I'll put it into chat because I've been wrote. Okay. Wait. Okay. This is a bad example, like, or a not ideal example, but this is like a 30-minute like example of like where, like how I performed throughout the day,
Mhm.
which has number of trades in the blue dots, the total P&L in orange, and the points um, average points per trade in green. So green and blue are on the right axis, and orange is on the left axis. And these are from combines from last year. So it's like across in this NQ. This is all for NQ, and this is like 1,500 trades, like some crazy shit. Which is a lot of trades last year. And I also did one of these. These are in 30-minute blocks. And then I did one of a 5-minute block, which I don't have active right now, which I can throw up later. But for me, that just kind of helped me like really kind of see the stats around patience and why patience is like very valuable for me. There's also like anecdotal stuff, right? About like knowing when I'm like slamming it too many times. I'm like trying the idea again too many times, saying to myself, well, I'm just trying again. You know what I mean?
Mhm.
As opposed to like actually seeing the setup create itself again. It usually doesn't create itself more than twice. Like if you get the same setup more than twice, it's going to get retested eventually. Like that level will be revisited again for sure because it's now been tested so many times already. Do you know what I'm trying to say? That's
Oh,
like
yeah,
a
yeah.
that's like an intraday kind of thing. But as far as like a personal performance thing, I really had to go in and look at like by like a 5-minute interval. And because you guys scalp, you might want to look at like a 1-minute interval on your trades and just see how it breaks out across the day. I can share my Excel doc that I use to create that, but it requires you to have, a lot of data. So if you guys are saving all the data on your trades across your combines and sims and personal accounts and stuff like that, it could be a valuable exercise to do. And it doesn't take very long.
And just kind of see like how you perform and at what segments of the day.
Minute by minute if you want to. Like the logic for the minute by minute is not super hard in Excel. As opposed to looking at like a curve. The curve has a different thing. The curve tells you when you're tilting, like a P&L curve. Like throughout your entire trading history, for example, it'd be crazy to see like every single trade on the chart and then with the P&L below it to see like when you're overdoing, you're over trading into a drawdown and making the drawdown deeper. Like that would be really valuable to see across the entire year, for example, like as you're becoming a trader. You know what I'm saying? Because if you don't do that, you're going to have to learn through experience, which is much harder to understand what the value of patience is. And just letting this thing, do its thing to you. God, man, this offer is. Don't trust this offer. Anyway, sorry for the ramble.
Are you
Like if what the hell are bonds? Bonds are we offering too? Okay. That's great. This is going to sweep 35s, I think, on NQ. NQ is holding up much stronger than Spoos. Yeah, I think I just got swept. Huh. What the fuck? Also, Chewy, when you're doing holds, are you doing the same size?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And trade max 2 lots.
Mm-hmm. Interesting.
So I try to get like
Everyone-
risk off with the first lot and then let the other contract do its thing.
Mm-hmm. And what's your usual take profit on the first one? This is for ES, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Most of the time, it's whatever my stop loss was times 2.
Okay.
So I can
Like a
get
2R.
risk off.
Like a 2R, like a
Yeah, 2R.
pre-trade, quote unquote. Yeah.
So that just that way I can cover costs.
Mm-hmm. I
About
was
you?
really trying to cap this thing. I look at it mostly on ES. I'm really playing like just the structure. Like I don't know why, but I can read the ES. Like I'm just so much more patient with ES. I don't know why, because it moves just as crazy as NQ sometimes. But starting to get a little tilty here, so chill for a second. All right, value area low.
Alright, fellas, I'm gonna take off real quick.
Later.
Dude, see you later.
Yeah, I'll talk to you guys later.
See you, man. Good luck.
Thanks.